Hey there, I'm PG, Head of Product Design at Tato.
And I'm Hermano, Senior Software Engineer at Tato.
And today we're excited to show you a new integration we've been working on to help teams move even faster and more efficiently throughout the world's biggest transformation projects. ERP implementations generate hours of workshops, but structured process documentation aligned to Microsoft's business process catalog still gets filled out by hand. Mavim is where systems integrators manage the BPC, the process framework behind every Dynamics 365 implementation. And Tato is where the project actually happens, capturing every workshop and stakeholder conversation through an AI-native project intelligence. Today, we're excited to announce that we're connecting these two worlds. Hermano, show us what you built.
So yeah, let's go. So Tato reads the workshop transcript, drafts structural mapping fields, process description, fit gap notes, configuration metadata, and pushes them back through the API. What used to take consultant hours of post-workshop documentation now happens in a click. So I can go on a specific workshop page, click directly in the update button, and then the LLM will try to propose a new update to synchronize what has been said during this workshop through the Mavim API. So we can see that the update has been proposed. The API is currently loading the update and the change. And here we go. We can see that the LLM suggested 5 edits. Suggested to update the business process owner, workstream lead, subject matter expert, the scope approach. What we can do from now is we can review the changes, we can reject or apply them, and we can also modify them on the fly. So I can say, this current workshop is not applicable out of scope. Let's try not applicable for now. And I will apply them. So the update has been applied, so now I can go on Mavim. We will check really quick the state of the fields. So here we can see that a lot of fields are empty. If I actualize the page, we can see that some field has been updated. So the business process owner has been changed to Mark Peterson. Workstream lead has been updated. Subject matter expert has been updated as well. And we can see that we decided to update the scope to fully not applicable, and the scope approach has been updated as well.
Amazing work, Hermano. Thank you so much for sharing. So you can see that for SI teams running Dynamics 365 implementations, this means faster documentation, less rework, and deliverables grounded in what was actually said and not what somebody remembered to write down days later. So a huge shout out to the Mavim team for working with us on this, and this is now live on Tato. So if you're eager to try it out to move even faster in your projects, go to tato.co and talk to a member of our team.